In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use a meal credit on Grubhub. So what are meal credits? As you can see here from this article, it is a meal budget provided by your employer for use on Grubhub. So basically your employer paying for food. So how can we use it? How do you apply this to your budget? So when you're logged in on the homepage, in the upper right corner, you will see a wallet that houses your meal credit. So it's this here. It's going to show you the amount which you can use on the order. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to input your delivery address as is per usual, and then you can begin ordering, and this credit will automatically be applied to your order. However, if you want to manually apply this credit, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit here. You will see your payment information as a sample right here on Grubhub, and you can click on apply to apply this specific meal credit, and this amount will be applied from your total, which we just showed you right here at the top, and it's going to withdraw it from that amount. And you can also choose to tip or not. And as you can see here, we have the total, order subtotal, and you will be able to see line of credit if it's being withdrawn from your credit on the Grubhub app. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.